Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called RewardXP, where you can actually go and make money online and pay out direct to PayPal, and you can also earn Bitcoin as well. So if this interests you and you want to make more money online, then RewardsXP could be what you're looking for right now. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video, and we're going to go and check out a full review of the RewardXP website right now. Okay, so we've come on to the rewardxp.com website. And as you can see, pretty basic stuff here, guys, on their front page. It just says level up and earn rewards. Okay, so you can obviously earn XP by answering surveys and exploring offers. I'm going to show you more on that shortly. And it says you can obviously redeem XP for gift cards and gaming currency as well. So yeah, again, more on that very shortly. Easy to sign up, guys. It's free to join, and you can either sign up via Google or by Facebook. But before we do, let's just go and do like I normally do. Like I have done a bit of due diligence about this site. So let's go and check out exactly what I found. So first of all, I came across to my website who.is, and as you can see here, I put in the rewardxp.com web address. And as you can see here, they've been around since 2018, and the actual web domain name actually expires in 2024. So that's all looking good stuff at the moment. Been around for a while, which is good. And also there's a long expiry date on their actual domain name, which is obviously another good sign. I also checked out their Trustpilot review, and as you can see here, one, they are a verified company, which is a new thing you can do here. And they've obviously claimed their profile, which is great. They've only got 116 reviews, but at a rate of 4.7, which is excellent. And as you can see, they've got over 95% of their reviews are either excellent or great. You can see here there's some good reviews as well. They're not all sort of like two-word reviews. Best website ever, organization, honesty and commitment, in addition to paying everything right. The only time I had a problem and the person charged solved it. Person in charge solved it in the best way possible. So again, they are looking into things. If things go wrong, they are acting and doing stuff as well. So again, really positive stuff from the Trustpilot website as well. And obviously it says you can go and join via Facebook. So obviously I presume they had a Facebook page, and they have here. And again, as you can see here, they've got a 5-star review. Doesn't seem to be that active. You've got 528 people like it, and 547 people follow this page. There is a website here as well for support, which is always a good thing. And they've also got some other socials here. They've got Twitter and they've got Instagram by the look of it as well. So everything seems to be pointing in a really good place, guys, with RewardXP. If you've obviously joined and you've obviously earned money through RewardXP, then let us know in the comments below. If you've got any other questions, obviously let us know in the comments below as well, and I'll try and help you if I don't actually answer them in this review. So let's go and check out a little bit more about RewardXP on their website. Now, the first thing I want to bring your attention to is obviously their terms of service, because when you sign up, you are going to have to you automatically agree to these terms of service. And again, they're pretty transparent, and as it says here, these terms of service constitute an entire agreement between you and XP Interactive LLC, which is the company. So they're actually giving you the company name there. It's a limited company, but that's great because that's again a good thing. So they're obviously very transparent. It also says here you must be at least 13 years of age to actually go and use this site. But you must also have parental, and a legal guardian must read and accept the agreement on your behalf. So let's do a little bit more investigation. Let's have a look at the level up situation here on the profile. And as you can see here, you get level requirements and bonuses. So if for the XP required for your bronze level would be 100,000, and that seems a lot, but as you'll show you shortly, how you can actually go and earn all this XP doesn't going to take too long before you can actually hit bronze. And this is over a lifetime, guys, as well. So you can just build this up over a period if you wanted to as well. So with that, the feature will unlock giveaways on their Discord, and again they've got a good support network on Discord, and again I'll be showing you that very shortly. But as you can see here, these go down silver, gold, platinum. I'm not going to go through all of them because you can obviously read that on your own when you actually hit the website. But what it basically means is the threshold of your referral bonus also goes up as well, and you obviously don't have to wait for pending reviews, etc. as well, which is even better. So you're going to get paid instantly as you go up through the levels. Now once you've obviously earned some points, you can redeem them. Okay, now you can redeem them in various different ways. As you can see here, we've got PayPal, Bitcoin, you've got Amazon gift cards, MasterCard, Visa, and there's also a reward link, and you've also got Nintendo eShop as well as a few others up the top here as well. So various different ways you can obviously go and actually redeem your points once you've actually earned them. So let's quickly go over now and actually show you how you can actually earn these points and how easy it is to do just that. So the first one we want to do is click on Earn here. And as you can see, this is broken down into 3 different parts. You've got surveys, offers, and videos. So if you click on surveys, these are some of the reputable survey sites you can actually go and earn points with. And there's this one here, as you can see here, earn 7,500 XP for every survey you complete. And you complete this up to 10 times per day. So that is probably an easy way and a fast way, like I say, to go and actually get some points on the board. So you've got offers as well, so there's various offer sites here, and these are again are all standard to most of the get paid to websites as well. And again with videos, you've got the 2 most popular, and Hideout TV and Loot.tv. So obviously you can check out with those as well. And I've shown you obviously Loot TV on other videos that I've made. And how quick and easy it is just to literally go and watch videos. You can just link this site to the Loot TV, and then you can obviously, when you get points in Loot TV, you can then extract them back across to RewardXP. You've also got the Explore button here, and as you can see here, you can also go and download some games. So you've got various games. So you've got games for a desktop, Android, iPhone, and iPad games. And some of the apps here, so if we clicked on Android apps, we've got Coinbase, and just for downloading the app through this, you would actually get nearly 8,000 points. And with the Crypto.com, you can get 127,000 points just short of by just downloading the app, and you have to sign up for an account. And you've got Engage here as well. And this is where you've got the Discord community. Okay, and with the Discord community, obviously they're going to give away offers, and they're going to do contests and all that sort of thing. And again, this is being very transparent, guys. You don't have these sort of communities if you're someone that's obviously going to be scamming people. And like I say, from these, the Trustpilot and the Who.is, the Facebook page, all those sort of things point really well towards the RewardXP being a good and honest, reputable site that you can go and check out to earn money online, and also obviously Bitcoin and gift cards. So overall, I would definitely say that RewardXP is worth giving it a shout, and just go and check it out, see how easy it is to actually go and earn points. Now I'll put a link in the description below here if you wanted to go and check it out. Make sure you drop us a comment to say that you've actually joined, which would be great. You will earn a percentage of the people you refer as points as well, so it's another great way of earning points. So all in all, guys, definitely worth checking out. But of course, let me know your thoughts in the comments below as well. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.